Hi there, welcome back to Gear Up with Greggs. My name's Angela and I'm part of the marketing team. Today, we're going to find out why TruFuel makes our small equipment engines run better, longer, and with less hassle. Let's fire it up. TruFuel is a pre-mixed fuel, which means no going to the pump to fill a container with gas and then struggle to figure out the fuel to oil ratio. With TruFuel, just find the ratio recommended by your equipment's manufacturer or consult this handy list. And then you're ready to pour. It's that easy. As you can see, TruFuel comes in a 40:1 oil to fuel ratio, a 50:1 ratio, or a specialized 4-cycle fuel. All three are in stock and available at Gregg's in either a 946 milliliter container or a 3.25 liter container. Just about everyone has a weed trimmer, leaf blower, power washer, snow blower, or chainsaw, but they don't always see regular use. After all, most of these items are used on a seasonal basis. But did you know that fuel from the pump you put into this equipment won't keep for more than a season? That's because most gasolines contain ethanol. Now, ethanol might be okay in your car or truck, but it's not so great for the hotter running 2-cycle engines found in outdoor power equipment. Ethanol in gasoline attracts water from the atmosphere, and the two bond together. This process is called phase separation. Having any water in your fuel mix isn't good. It separates your fuel into 2 layers, a top layer of oil and fuel, and a bottom layer of raw ethanol and water. Because fuel pumps typically pull from the bottom, this bottom layer without any oil is the first thing that hits your engine. That means that your 2-stroke engine is now running without any lubrication. Not only does the ethanol harm your engine, it often degrades rubber fuel lines and plastic components. And even if you're buying fuel without ethanol, you still have the messy task of figuring out the right ratio of fuel to oil. With TruFuel, we can avoid all this hassle. TruFuel is an oil-fuel mix that's made for optimal performance. It even keeps your engine safe by using ethanol-free gasoline. It's easy on your engine and allows for a smooth, powerful start to your equipment every time. So if you only start up your weed whacker a few times a season, or don't want to drain and dry the whole tank before storing it for winter, TruFuel is the perfect solution. Because of its blend of ethanol-free fuel, synthetic lubricants, and advanced stabilizers, this stuff has a shelf life of 3 years once you open it. This means you can start up your tools after sitting with a full tank for the whole winter and not worry about wrecking your engine. Or, if your can of TruFuel is still sealed, it'll last on the shelf for at least 5 years. Perfect for any situation. It's great to have a can around in case you need some fuel in a pinch. Some of the major users of TruFuel are emergency first responders. That's because in critical situations, equipment needs to start immediately and run smoothly. This includes things like the generators used to run the jaws of life, which could be the determining factor between life or death in some situations. So, if you want to save time, keep optimum performance, and protect your equipment, look no further than TruFuel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call, leave us a comment, or visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Angela, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs.